Things Fall Apart, by Chinua Achebe is a powerful and thought-provoking novel that explores the complexities of culture, tradition, colonialism, and the impact of change on a traditional African society. Set in pre-colonial Nigeria, the story follows the life of Okonkwo, a respected warrior and leader of the Igbo clan of Umuofia. The novel opens by introducing us to the Igbo society, its customs, rituals, and social structure. Okonkwo is a self-made man who has risen above his father's reputation as a lazy and unsuccessful individual. He is driven by a fear of becoming like his father and is determined to succeed through hard work, discipline, and adherence to his clan's traditional values. Okonkwo's life is deeply rooted in his culture, and he is a firm believer in the importance of masculinity, strength, and honor. He has multiple wives and children, and his strict and often harsh approach to parenting is a reflection of his desire to raise strong and resilient sons who will carry on his legacy. However, as the novel progresses, the arrival of European missionaries and colonial powers brings significant changes to the Igbo society. These changes disrupt the traditional way of life, challenge the authority of the clan's leaders, and introduce new beliefs and practices that clash with the existing cultural norms. Okonkwo's resistance to change and his staunch adherence to tradition lead to tragic consequences. His inability to adapt to the shifting societal dynamics, along with his rigid mindset, ultimately result in his downfall. The novel skillfully explores Okonkwo's internal struggles, his sense of displacement in the changing world, and the profound sense of loss he experiences as his world begins to crumble. The narrative also introduces us to other compelling characters, such as Obiorika, Okonkwo's friend, who provides a more rational and open-minded perspective on the changing times, and Nwoye, Okonkwo's son, who rejects his father's beliefs and embraces the new religion brought by the missionaries. Things Fall Apart is a poignant exploration of the collision between tradition and progress, as well as the devastating consequences of cultural imperialism and colonialism. Through Okonkwo's personal journey and the experiences of the Igbo community, Achebe highlights the complexities of identity, power, and the loss of autonomy in the face of external forces. The novel's title, Things Fall Apart, serves as a metaphor for the disintegration of not only Okonkwo's life but also the larger Igbo society. Achebe's narrative skillfully navigates the emotional and psychological landscape of its characters, inviting readers to reflect on the universal themes of change, resilience, and the intricate interplay between the individual and the collective. Things Fall Apart stands as a seminal work in African literature, offering a deeply insightful and culturally rich examination of the tensions between tradition and modernity, and a poignant reminder of the enduring human spirit in the face of adversity. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for other interesting book summaries.